Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams desktop application or desktop client. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop application and just connect with your Teams account or Outlook account, then just follow these simple steps. So the first thing that I will need you to do, or that we are going to do, is to go to the Teams section or the Teams menu so we can add our team. And we click on the team section, as you can see, and you will find this page as follow. So here you will find your list of your meetings, and here are some pinned meetings. And now I'm going to show you how to create a team. So all you need to do is to go at the bottom and you will find the button that is saying join or create a team. And of course we want to create a team here in Microsoft Teams. We click on it and here you click on create a team. We are not joining anything. Create a team, and basically you are going to select the type of your team. So either it was a class, a teams for class or professional learning or other things. So let's suppose that we want to have a class meeting. We give it a name, of course, for example, class 1. And then you give a description if you want, so it has some meaning, or give just the idea or the topic or the subject of the team. And here, for example, team for math class, for example, and it will give some ideas for your teams. And then you will click just next, and as you can see, our team is being created automatically. Here you can add your students and teachers for your team. So you will just search, either you are going to type the names of groups. For example, I have already some contacts and I will search for my contacts, or you can add the email of the person. For example, you just write like that and add example.com. And basically as you can see, it will have this form, so he can accept like emails. After that, you will need just to add all the list of the students and add, for example, the teachers of your team, and just then click add, and all your contacts will be added to your team if they have accepted the request. So after that, you can just add your after creating your team, you can add your posts. For example, add a new conversation. You can add more channels and have, for example, a channel for discussion, another channel for work homeworks, other channel for example, adding presentations, or adding sending just some tips. You can manage your team however you want, and you will have the ability to add files. You can control like your permissions. You can do multiple things while you are the owner of the channel, or you are the owner of the team. So basically that was how you can create a team in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you next time.